Hello, it's Dhanush Kumar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to code an alert dialog in AIDE and add it to any app. So let's start. So first I'm going to open AIDE. So now I'm going to create a new project. So you can name it anything here. I'm going to Dhanush Kumar. I'm naming it dialog box. So I will create here new project. So what going to do is I'm not going to write the code here, so you can follow my steps here. So you can click here, here, you click here. After clicking here, now you go to src, you go to Java and you come back to com. So now you should click on here. Now you can create new folder. You should click on new folder and you can name anything here. You can name anything. I will name here like DHA, or I will name it as dialog. I will name here dialog. So now the new folder is created, and in this folder you need to create new class. So I will add class. You can name it anything. So I will name here box. Okay. So now the class dialog box is created. Now you need to write the code as I am shown here. So you can customize your code for the dialog box. So right here, void now you can write here and you can name here anything. I will name it as banner. Okay, then bracket you name it as context, and here you can add any name. Here I will add context itself. So now it's done. Now close the bracket. So now add the brackets. So now you need to write the code between these. So while starting the code, I will start with toast. Now here. So now maybe give me a second. We have completed the dialog code here. So here you should add your link here, your link like your YouTube link. So where is it? So here you should add your link like https www.youtube.com /c/k sorry KNSH Dhanush Kumar K. So you should add your link here, and you can change here your text. So sorry, here should add. So you can change your button text here and also here. So we are setting this because if the dialog box is like this, then it will only adjust the bounds, or else it will have some padding up and down or side. So we are writing this set adjust view bounds for the image. So you can see, you should write here your name of the image. If you have JPG, then you should name the image .jpg. So now you can see here the code is completed. Now we should call this code in the main activity. So you should first know the name here, banner. And you should now write here first box dot sorry first we have here class box, then we should call this banner box dot banner this. So it is completed now. You should add an import. So now you can see it is completed. So we should add here import So now you should add your import package name, then you should click on run. Now you can see here in small e, in main activity, we will not be having the dialog code, so we'll having the simple one line. You can see here we have one line here, so you can copy this line and you can, but instead of that, first we will see what is there in v0. You can see, you can see here we have your input v3. So you can see the v3 is, the value of v0 is moved to v3. Now we don't know what is v3, so here you can see now the v0 is the v0, the value of v0 is p0. That means this is this. The P0 means this. You can see here. In main activity, we have here input this. Here this in small e, P0 equals to this. P0 equal to this. So instead of V3 here, instead of V3 I can write here P0. P0. Now you can copy this. Copy this. Now we need to extract the dialog code. Here you can see dialog. Here you can extract this whole dialog code here wherever you want. You can say. Now you can add it to any app. So this I have already showed in my previous video how to add this dialog. So in this video I will just show you how to write the dialog code, and I have given the code link in the description, and you can customize as you want in the dialog code. So thanks for watching.